Hello and congratulations. Welcome to the team. So glad to have you here. What I'm going to do right now is run through what it is that you need to be doing next. This is the next thing that you do after you set up your trade account so you can start making money immediately. So, the first 48-hour power play is what we use, and this is the strategy that we put into place to help you guys to start earning and trading that Swift Bitcoin as soon as possible. The first 48-hour power play is a powerful three-step strategy that can generate results within the shortest amount of time. And that's what we want to do, get some financial results in the shortest amount of time. Each member passes up their first two trades to their sponsor, which immediately upgrades them into the $200 trade level. That is what you want to do, and you want to do that as soon as possible and have your people do the same thing so you don't have to wait to get paid. You want to be getting paid immediately, so you want to take possession of these upper trade levels as soon as you can. By simply implementing this strategy, you will be able to start building your new crypto trade team. You'll be able to complete your first upgrade using OPM, which is other people money. That's amazing, right? We want to use other people money to get to where we're going, right? Create financial freedom in record-breaking time. That is what we want to do. Let's run over the steps, guys. We have 4 steps that you have to use in order to make this happen. They're simple steps, nothing hard about it. Actually, it is fun to do because people are seeing them coins going into their account. They're getting excited. They're getting enthusiastic about it. They're ready to make something happen, and that's when you start making money. So the first step is this. Now, let's say, for instance, that you've joined. You've already taken possession of your trading platform in CryptoNet Global. The next thing that you want to do is give away 2 free Swift Demand accounts. You want to do this as soon as possible. I'm talking about the minute that you got that site up, you want to be hitting 2 people. Hey, man, you need to look at this. We can make some quick money, some easy money, and send them 2 Swift Demand accounts. When you send them those 2 Swift Demand accounts, something is going to happen in your account. You're going to see another $1,000 fall into your account. Why? Because of the simple fact you're going to receive your commission for referring them. Let's go through this. Step number 1. Based upon Swift Demand Referral Program, you will receive 500 Swift per referral for a total of 1,000 when you give away those 2 accounts. So now you have 1,000 Swift that you can flip into 1,000 in Bitcoin or cash, whichever one. We use Bitcoin, so you'll be able to flip that into 1,000. Amazing, right? Step number 2. Have your 2 new trade partners give away their 2 free Swift accounts. They need to be doing this immediately, guys. This has to be something where you take action. You cannot be sitting up here pausing for days and days and days because you're affecting your income. Would you sit there and not walk outside your door and pick up $1,000 if it was laying there? Would you just leave it laying there and say, I'll get it tomorrow? No. So you want to do it immediately. Then you put that urgency on them. Okay, man, come on now. I need you to give away 2 accounts to people that's like-minded, just like us. Step number 2. Have your 2 new trade partners give away 2 free Swift Demand accounts. They will also receive $500 Swift per referral for a total of $1,000 in their account. This will make them, their mind will trigger. This will make them want to immediately take possession of the CryptoNet Global Trading Platform and turn their 1,000 Swift tokens into 1,000 spendable Bitcoin. See that? It makes everybody want to get at the money because they're looking at that Swift sitting there. Step number 3. Upgrade into trading level number 2, right? When you get that $200, when each one of them send you 100 and you have it in your hand, you upgrade immediately into trade level number 2, right? Anything else to come after that is your profit anyway, but you want to get that upgrade out of the way on all levels. Step number 3, upgrade into trade level 2, trading for $200. Now you're going to be trading for $200. By following this strategy, you have accomplished very important things, and they are as follows. Guys, this is important. You have started to build your trade team. You have upgraded into the second level of trade for $200 using OPM, other people money. It did not come out of your pocket. You have that upgrade. Your earning potential is now unlimited. Do you see that, guys? Now you've opened up the doorway. What happened when you bring in more people? You already own the 100 and the 200. And every time you get those first 2 payments, you knock that out. So you got trade level number 2, right? When your team members upgrade into trade level number 2, you got another $400. Upgrade in the trade level number 3 for 400. It doubles every time on the money. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm making you move faster, and you're going to be making more money because now everybody else that comes in, you're using those 2 to upgrade. Always that same 2. Those 2 payments will always upgrade you, right? From those same 2 people. You would use those 2 people to upgrade to your upper levels. But person number 3 and on, Man, that's your profit. Imagine now you go out because you got payment proof. You go out and show this thing. Now people are going to flood you. You're going to have 10, 15 people coming in at $100 because you have payment proof. Then they're going to upgrade to the 200 when they get their first two. Do you see what's happening? Step number 4, use your first 2 trade commissions to upgrade on the remaining 9 levels. So your first 2 people are going to be the ones you use to upgrade to the upper levels. Each time you accumulate the funds needed to upgrade, when they send you their payments, right? Hey, when you hit that next level, upgrade as soon as you can. Do not hesitate. Do not pause. Do not sit there and look at the money. Once you have that money for that upgrade, as soon as those 2 people send you their money, upgrade into the next level immediately and tell them to follow suit. That way the money is coming quicker. No one has to sit here and wait on 10 people to come in and upgrade. Your first 2 will put you in power. That's all you need to do. The key to success and the creation of wealth here is to take possession of all 10 trade levels as quickly as possible. So remember, guys, very important to remember, your first 2 trade people, the first 2 trade members you bring on are going to be the 2 that continue to upgrade to you, and you're going to use those funds to upgrade into the higher levels. Guys, do you see this? This is amazing. This is easy. Anybody can do it. And you're doing it with free coin that you're getting in, guys. Our coin over in our community in Swift Demand is a powerful coin. We have products and services for sale over in our back office. And now you're trading your Swift peer-to-peer within a private network. We're doing our thing, man. We're making things happen. We're helping people to succeed. So now that you're in, now that you have your account set up, these are your steps. Remember, step number 1, give away 2 free Swift Demand accounts. Step number 2, have your 2 new trade partners that you gave those accounts to do the same exact thing. Step number 3, once you are paid the $200, when they pay you, when they give you 100 each, that's 200, upgrade immediately into your next level, which is trade level number 2, right? And then use those first 2 trade people to upgrade to all of the remaining levels. That's it, guys. Super simple, nothing hard about it. So I want to welcome you over here to the team. I'm glad you made that decision to join us. Hopefully what we're doing can change your financial situation as you go on to change someone else's. So you have a great day, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.